yafqahu qawli. Amin. Next doa baik. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'a wa rizqan thayyiban wa amalan mutaqabbala. Amin. Okay dear, what day is today? Today is Wednesday. How to spell Wednesday? W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. And what date is today? Today is 10th of June of 2020. Okay, let's start our lesson. Today hafazan from the Juzu Amma is Surah Al-A'la. This surah consists of 19 ayat. Nak tahu tak tentang surah Al-A'la? Surah ini dinamakan Al-A'la dan membawa maksud yang paling tinggi. Surah ini juga menjelaskan untuk kita sentiasa bertasbih dengan menyebut nama Allah. Selain itu, ia memberi jalan-jalan yang menjadikan orang untuk berjaya hidup di dunia dan di akhirat. Serta Allah menciptakan, memberi petunjuk dan melengkapi keperluan-keperluannya sehingga tercapai tujuannya. Alright dear, you need to memorize this surah at home with your parents. If you cannot memorize it, by just listening to it, you will get reward from Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. If you read and memorize, of course you will get even more rewards. Alright, next, teacher want to share with you a story about Prophet Yahya. Prophet Yahya alayhi salam was a wonderful prophet of Allah. He was the son of Zakaria alayhi salam. He was always kind to his parents and looked after them. He was so pure in behavior and thought that there was not a single action of his that disobeyed Allah. So children, the message from Prophet Yahya alayhi salam is the people love and respect Yahya alayhi salam greatly, and his words used to touch their hearts. For this mathematics book, you need to turn page 4, 5 and 6. For page 4, you need to subtract the following. Alright dear, for this question, 47 minus 25 equal what? So if you want to get this answer, you need to do this vertical order. Do you want to know how to do this? Let me show you. Alright dear, you need to write this number into this vertical order. 47 minus 25. After you copy the numbers, to solve this problem, you need to start with sum. Alright dear, for subtraction, you need to circle the smaller number using blue color. So, which one? 7 or 5? So, of course, 5. Alright dear, for this one, you need to close your finger like this, and number 5 keep in your mind, and then you need to count until what's number? 7. So after 5, 6, 7. So the answer is number 2. So write down number 2. Alright dear, after you finish with Sa, you need to continue with Puluh. So, which one is the smaller number? Of course, number 2. So, you need to close your finger Alright dear, for page 5, you need to match and write down the correct answer. For this question, you need to solve using the vertical order. You can do this on plain paper. Alright dear, for example, 36 minus 21 equal to 15. So, you need to match like this. You can do the rest at home with your parents. Next, page 6. You need to subtract the following. Let's look at this one. Alright dear, you need to count all the mushrooms. So, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So you need to write 28. So you need to count the cross one. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright children, for this one, 28 minus 14 equal what? Alright then, to get the answer, you need to count the uncrossed one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the answer is 14. Make sure you continue these two questions. For this art and craft ladybird, firstly, you need to take out the sticker paper of the ladybird's head. Then, use the black paper string and paste around the head. Next, use the red paper string and paste around the body of ladybird. Next, you need to paste the eyes and the black spot on the ladybird. And the last part, paste the ladybird on the flower card. So, your ladybird, it will be like this. Alright dear.